Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job dates in English. So one very good opportunity for BSc and diploma candidates. Total 110 vacancies are there from NFL, National Fertilizers Limited. Salary will be 35,000 for junior engineer assistant and it is direct recruitment. Age limit is 30. If you complete your diploma in electronics communication instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, electrical electronics engineering, mechanical and chemical, then you can apply. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start with our important point. First point, that minimum 50% aggregate you should have in your diploma or BSc. If you are from general, OBC, EWS, minimum 40% aggregate you should have in diploma and BSc. If you are from SC, ST, PWD. Exam center list is given, so no need to worry. And posting will be either you will get posting in Punjab, Haryana or Jammu Kashmir. Okay. Process will be direct recruitment, so only CBT they will conduct. Age limit cutoff date is 30th of September. Okay, general 30, OBC 33, SST 35, for PWD general 40, OBC 43, SST 45. This is the list of exam centers, so you can check whether your city is there or not, or whether nearby city is there or not. Accordingly, you can plan. Okay, now we will see vacancy breakdown. So first vacancy is for junior engineer assistant grade 2, which is from production. Okay, total 87 vacancies are there, and here you can see categorized breakdown also. Out of the 87, 3 vacancies are reserved for PWD candidates. If you complete VSc with physics, mathematics, chemistry, then you can apply. Or if you have diploma in chemical, then you can also apply. Second post is for instrumentation. Total 15 vacancies are there, and for this post, all these branches are eligible. That is electronics and instrumentation. Okay, only triple E also eligible. Then applied electronics, then electronics communication, telecommunication also eligible, and obviously instrumentation is also eligible. Okay. And you can see categories breakdown also here. And total out of 15, total 2 vacancies are reserved for PWD candidates. Next is electrical. For electrical, 7 vacancies are there. UR6, 1 OBC. SC/ST, EWS candidate don't have vacancies, so they need to apply in general category. And if you complete your diploma in electrical or triple E, then you can apply to this post. The last post is your loco attendant, which having diploma in mechanical. Only 1 vacancy is there for UR, so definitely all public will apply in UR only. Important date, form will start from tomorrow, okay, and it will end on 10th of November. About exam date, they will notify us later. Total fees, general OBC AWS will pay 200 rupees, SST, PWD ex-serviceman will pay 0 rupees. Now, the most important thing about exam pattern. So as you know, this is direct recruitment. You have first portion, or I can say first section of non-technical or aptitude, okay, which having 50 questions. And then technical portion is there of 100 questions. So total 150 questions are there for 150 marks. And the best part is there is no negative marking. Okay, this is the best part. Paper language is English and Hindi both, and there is no sectional cutoff either. So this is why this is a very good opportunity for you, because there is no negative marking and direct recruitment. Okay, so in detail definitely we will discuss in our strategy video, and tomorrow form filling video will be there for you. So form will be activate tomorrow, and I will make the video on this. Okay, if you have any query, anything regarding the recruitment, just comment down below. If you want to ask me personally, then you can DM me on Instagram also. All the best.